What's happening? This your boy Keenan right here. You know what's up. Keenan just felt like cooking. And yes, it's been a minute, but it's time for another Snak-A-Gizzzz. Check this out. So what I got here, I'm gonna take these 2 eggs. I'm gonna whip it up with these cubed up little cheddar chunks. I had a tostada shell that broke, so I might as well use it. We'll combine all that together. Some of this Tomahawk Seasoning. These cats was very gracious enough to follow me on Instagram. I followed them back. Bam, ordered the essential. Can't wait to try it on some meat, some barbecue, which I am. But this time I'm gonna sample it, doing this little burrito. I'm gonna go ahead and get these tortillas, and I'm gonna hook up my Killa cheese egg burrito. Check it. Alright, so what I got here, I got 2 tablespoons of butter. What I like to do, I like to let all the water evaporate out my butter so it gets nice and frothy, like that. And to that, I'm going to add this cheddar cheese. Turn the fire down some. I had it at medium, so like medium low right now. Stir that around. You know, you want to kind of spread it out a little evenly. And while that's melting up right there, I got some scrambled eggs right here that I'm about to hook up with some of this Tomahawk Seasoning Co essentials. So we're just going to sprinkle that in the eggs right there. Those are the eggs. Scramble them up like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So you see we got our cheese nice and melted. We're gonna turn the fire down to low. We're gonna pour our eggs right in there. Move them around. I'm gonna get my broken up tostada shell. Sprinkle it right up on there. Right. Then we're gonna get this tortilla and set that bad boy just like that. And we're gonna let it set up a minute. Still got some tostada left. I'll just eat it. So I'm gonna let that set up, and we're gonna be back with a flip. Alright, so I'm back with a flip, and it was a little bit more trickier than I thought. But I got it, nothing broke. It's all good. So we're gonna let that tortilla toast up. And we're going to be back with something magical. Alright. Check that out. Yeah. The tortilla is going to be on the inside of the burrito, if you haven't got that by now. So this tortilla set up a little bit, so I'm going to flip it back over. As you can see, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that came out amazing. Alright. Let's get a bite of this bad boy. Alright, so here it is. Another Snak-A-Gizzzz. This is my Killa cheese egg burrito. Egg and cheese burrito. And as you can see, the tortilla is on the inside. And I went ahead and sprinkled the top with some more of this Tomahawk Seasoning Co. Hello, my name is Essential. This stuff smells amazing. It tastes amazing. And you know, I wanted to kind of a blank platform to try it out, so went ahead and hooked it up with some eggs. If you can season some eggs with something, then it's a good seasoning. Alright, let's get a bite. Okay, so let's cut a little something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Cheese all crusty. Eggs are seasoned with the Tomahawk Seasoning Company Essential. My name is Essential. Look at that. Okay. You know, that came out all right. And usually, like always, you know, I just walked in the kitchen and started doing this. So let's get a bite. Alright, so here we go. My Killa cheese and egg burrito with the tortilla on the inside. Alright, let's get a taste. With the Tomahawk Seasoning Company, hello, my name is Essential. Right there. Alright, let's get a bite. Pretty good. Pretty good. Nice all-purpose rub. I mean, I can see how you could use that by itself, or add it with your own little mix, or add it to something else. I recommend trying this. Real good, real savory, very tasty. And also try to do this burrito. Let me know what's happening. How did it turn out? Did you add something to it? I could have put chorizo and all that, but I was hungry. There was a wild peacock walking around outside this morning, so it was wicked. Anyway, it's your boy Keenan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let your boy know how you doing. You know, hope everybody doing fine. Be safe, be cool, and like always, use common sense.